Now, I've befriended a local goat, his name's Al, and he's agreed to carry some weight for us on our coming up missions. I'll show you the true versatility of befriending a young goat. Now the first positives is goats can do just about anything humans can, sometimes better.
Well done, Al. Well done, Al.
Good lad. So the second advantage of having a goat carry your weight is I've always got my hands free.
If I see something, I can whip my arrow out real quick and I can draw and I can go.
Third and final thing is goats are just bloody good company. So my recommendation is head down to your local goat community, befriend a couple and get them out and about. Thanks mate.